Hi, everyone. Welcome and thank you for joining our Solution Showcase. My name is Ansley Parks, and I'm joined by Luke Rafferty, Solutions Consultant at Kahua. Luke will be showing you how Kahua Analytics unlocks your project data to enable you to make smarter decisions throughout the project lifestyle. Before we dive in, just a few quick housekeeping items. If you have any questions during the webinar, please drop them in the Q&A box on the bottom right hand of your screen. On the same right-hand side, you'll also see today's agenda so you can follow along with what's coming up. And don't miss the related content section at the bottom where we've provided additional resources connected to today's discussion. We will have a brief Q&A time after the demo, but feel free to post any questions you have, and we will follow up after the event if we do not get to them at the time. With that being said, I'll hand it over to you, Luke.
Hello, everyone. What you see on the screen here is the Kahua platform. More specifically, you're viewing our analytics application. We're going to go through a couple dashboards, and we'll show you how Kahua makes it very easy to have visibility both within a specific project and across your entire portfolio or program of projects. Our analytics platform utilizes Microsoft Power BI embedded into the Kahua platform. We extract data from our project applications and roll it up into digestive and easy to understand dashboards. We offer these dashboards out of the box, but if there are any specific metrics or data roll-ups that are important to your firm, we can work with you to make these as effective as possible. We know it is important for your company stakeholders to find the information they need at the time they need it. Kahua Analytics provides you with that tool with real-time data. What is important to understand about these dashboards is the breadth of information that they can portray. We can take a deep dive into a specific project operation, or we can look at the health of all of our projects across all of our different portfolios. What you're seeing on the screen here now is an example of a portfolio analytics dashboard. Here, we are going to give you visibility to your portfolio as a whole. For the stakeholders that need high-level program information automatically generated from your projects, this is the tool for you. Because the system is using Power BI, all the widgets and filters on the screen can be interacted with, allowing you to put your energy, time, and focus where it is needed most. These are some of the filters that we have available to you, but again, everything that you're seeing here can be adjusted and changed for the metrics that are important to your business. For the stakeholders needing real-time financial insights across your portfolio, Kahua Analytics is also a tool for you. Again, these dashboards have full filtering capabilities. Additionally, because Power BI is embedded into Kahua, there's drill down capabilities that will take you to the source records and applications of the data that you are seeing. Here we're seeing a portfolio-wide financial dashboard where you have a one-line viewing of the project financials across your entire portfolio. When it is time to put your focus on a singular project, Kahua Analytics will provide you with dashboards capturing insights into project teams, schedules, also further insight into cost or risk, and will allow you to toggle between projects as necessary to find the information that is needed for you at the specific time that you're diving into it. So Kahua Analytics also provides insight into specific workflows or business functions that you may be experiencing across your projects or across a specific project. Kahua has a risk register application that targets potential and actual risks on your projects. Perhaps you want to understand more about high-risk projects. You can simply click on the high-risk category of this pie chart, and all of your widgets will automatically filter to just the high-risk projects, and you can put your focus where it is needed the most and where your time is needed the most. The final dashboard I'd like to take a look at today is RFI Analytics. questions will inevitably come up on every capital project that you are working on. What is important is ensuring that these questions are tracked, answered timely, and closed out. Kahua Analytics will provide you with insights to where log jams may be occurring or where team members may need additional resources. Here you can see average response times by your various PMs, or you can see the statuses of all of your RFIs across all of your projects. Perhaps there's a need to understand why you have draft RFIs in a state where they need to be pushed through a workflow to get the answers that you need to prevent rework, prevent schedule delays, and cost impacts to your project. Kahua Analytics really organizes your data that you're already capturing and empowers you with the tools to make sense of this data to drive efficiency and a control across all of your projects. So that wraps up our review of some of the dashboards that we here at Kahua have available, but we have a full breadth of dashboards that we want to further showcase to you guys. So please drop your questions in the chat. And if there's any additional dashboards or information that you would like to see, please reach out to Kahua and we'd be happy to get more time with you. I do see a couple questions in the chat already, so I'll go ahead and answer those right now. If we do run out of time, please do continue to put your questions in the chat and we will be sure to follow up with you. So the first question I see is that my organization uses Power BI. Can I import dashboards from a different Power BI account? To that we say yes. Kahua's customized version of Power BI enables our customers and partners to bring their already built dashboards, templates, and data models. Customers and partners are encouraged to connect with our team to explore best path forward for recreating any specific dashboards that your company may be using. The second question I see is, does Kahua Analytics support third-party data sources? Third-party data sources can be analyzed using Kahua Analytics through the use of Kahua-centric integrations and data migrations. Kahua Analytics is designed to visualize data stored within the Kahua platform. This means that third-party data sources can be brought in to leverage the full benefits of our hierarchical, scalable, and reliable structure that we have here at Kahua. And then I see a question also, can customers create their own dashboards using Kahua Analytics? So yes, you can. Kahua supports our customers with training and help from our data science team to equip you to build and deploy custom dashboards. So we are now running a little short on time. So if your question was not answered, we will be sure to follow up with you, but I do appreciate and thank all of you for joining us here today to take a little bit of a look at Kahua Analytics. Thank you.
And thank you, Luke. Before we wrap, a huge thank you to you all again for joining. And don't forget, we have our Build Forward event happening December 4th. You can grab your spot now from the image on the left side of your screen. And when we end today, you'll also see options to sign up for a personalized demo, which is the perfect next steps if you're ready to dive deeper or see any additional dashboards. This recording will be in your inbox in the next couple of days, so you can rewatch or share it with your team. Thanks again, everyone, and see you at the next one.